It's playing from here all the way across from there. It's all the way over there. So all right, today we're going to bring a wireless HDMI transceiver and receiver. If you guys can see, they look like long sticks, like almost like a vape pens, right? That's what they look like, but very simple. I mean, if you guys can see, there's a TX, this is transceiver, and then there's a RX, this is the receiver. So if you're going to plug it in, this will go into your display, which will be your TV or other devices. We're going to try it out here in a couple places and see how well it works. All right, so I do have a display that I want to set it up and see how far I can go. I'm going to see if I could throw a wall. All right, and that's pretty much all I want to do. We're going to see if we could play audio, because sometimes there is lag on the audio, and to see if its functions are pretty good, or if it's only good for displaying either presentations and other things. So the thing is that you do require power. All right, they do give you a type C to type A on both units, so that's going to be a thing that you need to set up. All right, so right now we're going to take this and set it up. Now the great thing about it, they give you a little pouch here, so if you're traveling and you're doing presentations, you don't want to forget this, you want to have it in your backpack or in your briefcase, this is perfect for you guys to travel. So let's put this to use and see how it works. We're going to plug it in our laptop and transfer to the actual monitor, the TV that we have in the next door room. All right, let's go ahead and do that. All right, first of all, I do have an HDMI on the laptop that I'm going to plug in, and this is a receiver. That's not the one we want, the transceiver, right? So that's what we want. The TX goes in here, plug it in, but you do need power, right? You can't forget power. 5 volts, which is a USB type A connection. You don't have to worry about type 3.0 or anything higher. So right now you're going to see a little indication come on. If you guys can see that, it's blinking right now. So right now it just flicked away right now, so it's ready to actually receive from my end. So let's go ahead and set it up on our TV. Let me show you. I actually used an extension because the little receiver didn't want to fit behind the TV and had to put a little extension, and I did power it up right here in my brick right here. So it's a little dusty back here. Nobody goes back here. So let's see. Let's turn on TV and change the display port, see if it reaches. Oh, look at that. It just picked up. As soon as I turn on the TV, it picked up, which is great. This is what I want to see. Now I'm going to play something, and I'm going to walk over there on YouTube or something. All right. So let's walk over, and I'm going to show you guys how far I am. We're in another room here. You guys can see it's right here. This room, I don't want to show you my mess, so it's on the other side of that room. We're going to test it out to see how much audio we have and if it's lagging. It's playing a YouTube video. So I'm going to go here, all the way here. Here we go. All right, we just put on mute right now so you guys can see some of the stuff. It's playing from here all the way across from there. It's all the way over there, so lag's not bad. Actually, it's not bad at all. It's playing pretty good. We're gonna play the news, and I want to see if there's any lip lag, and we're across from another room. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's take it here from this monitor here, all the way from there. If you guys can see that, I'm gonna across the room. Then we're gonna go here, and we're gonna see if it's lagging. Let's put some audio on here.
Including staunch Trump supporter Senator Josh Hawley,
not bad.
Who later
Not bad at all.
that he wants
So we're playing this all the way from there. Good translation, good transfer of the audio and video. Hope you guys enjoy the video. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.